Hi guys, today I want to share some info with you, and it's regarding the channel. I basically have a new project that I want to add to the channel. So 307 is not going to go away, don't worry, there will still be videos about the car, but I will have another car that I will start disassembling basically, and trying to fix it. And the story is that my friend's car broke, and she drove it to the workshop, or towed it to the workshop, and they said that the price of repair exceeds the value of the car, basically. Well, they didn't say that, but the price they gave exceeds what she could get for the car. So she decided to give it to the scrapyard and collect like a small fee for the car. So instead I bought it from her, and I'll try to fix it myself. So maybe I succeed, maybe I won't, but it's definitely going to be exciting. So I wanted to share it with you because I wanted to let you know that 307 is not going anywhere, and I will continue doing videos about 307. But this is going to be like a nice addition, I hope. And yeah, that's basically it. I need to find my keys. Oh, there they are. Yeah, and I want to show you the car. So that's why we're standing in front of my garage, and I'm going to show it to you. Yips. And there is the car. Let me pop the lights. The lights? Yes. That doesn't change much actually. Well, it's dark today, or at least it's late. I'm making the video in the evening. Some of you might recognize the car. This is Suzuki Ignis. It has 4-wheel drive. It's 1.3 liter petrol engine. It's a nice car because you can take it up in the mountains. It's small, it's not like a SUV, but some people put it actually next to the SUV type cars. I personally like it. It's 2006 model, and it looks quite nice. So you'll see a bit more of it in the next couple of weeks, months, but as I said, I will not stop making videos about 307, and well, there's nothing visible here, so you don't have to worry about it. Instead, I will increase the frequency of me posting videos. So instead of decreasing the Peugeot 307 videos, I will actually add videos a bit more frequently, so I get time to work on this car, I hope. And there's plenty of things to do at 307 still. So yeah, that's basically all the news. I hope you have a great day. And yes, that is something that I wanted to take a moment to do. I'd like to thank you guys, because you hang out on this channel quite for a while, and there's quite few of you, because it's over 3,000 people, and I never thought that 3,000 people would like to look at this repairs or replacements that I do. So it's actually pretty nice to have you around. And I don't usually focus videos on information or personal things, so I wanted to take a moment now to say thank you. I really appreciate you guys, and I've seen a couple of comments that I managed to help out a few of you, and it's really nice that you speak back and tell me that, because it's just, you know, it's a good feeling. Thank you, and I hope you have a great evening.